Hello, hi traders. Welcome to my channel. Today we'll take some trades. This is Euro JPY pair OTC market. So market is in uptrend. So we'll see some trades. Which one we can able to trade. No need to be hurry. Whichever will give profit, we will take only that one. We'll try to be only on short. We have to, okay. Here we can see from this level sellers enter very strongly, and again from this level sellers enter very strongly, and it's reversing many times. We'll wait for the next candle, and here we are seeing a momentum in left side, so we can expect again a momentum only on the right side. So this is the uptrend. So this is the bad market. We can see here there is so many weak candles and doji candlesticks and spinning top type of candles, so we can't able to trade in this market. If we trade also, we will lose for sure. So we'll trade only some good trendy market. So this confirms me that market will go higher option, because we are not see we didn't see any sellers entry after this candle, because already we are seeing a momentum on the left side, so we can expect a momentum on the right side again. Here it got reversed once, so only I placed here a higher option. So we'll see some good level here. Here also it got reversed. It's okay. We'll wait now, because I think it may get reversed for at least 1 minute. So we'll wait here. So in this one, we can able to go with higher option. No. If we see in this pattern, whenever market reaches this point, two sellers, two buyers, again two buyers, again two buyers, but this time there is no buyers. So we can go with sellers on the next candle, and level also here, and it broke the level to strongly this trend line. So I will place here a lower option. It became a late entry, but it's okay. I placed only $1. Okay. Shit. It's okay. See here again buyers enter, so again buyers are entering. Buyers enter. So we'll wait for the best opportunity. Actually here we can able to go higher option, but I didn't see this one because you can see here after one bearish candle again buyers are entering. Even here also after one bullish candle sellers are entering. So whenever we will see a momentum here, after one candle sellers are entering, and after momentum one buyer sellers enter, again buyers are entering. So we can continuously go like that. See here, I thought it will get reversed, but it's okay. So this one, we can expect a sellers only. We'll pair another, we'll change another pair. See here we are seeing some double top formation. Even here also. Actually, after this, we can expect a buyer's candle. But if sellers entered, we can able to go with the sellers. And buyers are entered previously from this point. And we see here, it's a continuation sign. So only I placed here a lower option. So we'll see this trade. We can see here some sellers pressure. So always try to place only whichever your confidence. No need to be hurry worry. So now I'm started a new trading course. So this will be 11 days, and you will be clarified about levels, candlesticks behavior, market types, market pattern, forex chart which we needed, personality development like control over trading, over practice, blind trades, increase of operations while trading, and more. So previously I used to do for 21 days, but now I reduced for 11 days with lower price. So it will be like 6 to 7 days. After 6 to 7 days of teaching, it will be like live trading in front of your friends or in front of me, and I will be helpful for you in that period of time. It may be practice account or real account or any this one tournament account also. I will be support in those time for 3 to 4 trades daily, not more than that. So if you are interested, you can contact me. My contact details is on description, and my price will be lower compared to others. It will be just $100 only, not more than that. So you can see my trading history also. So these are yesterday and today. Today I took only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades. Only 7 trades. Losses are common, just 1 or 2. It will move. So we can do like trade like this. There won't be any hurry. Also, don't be in a hurry. Whenever you sit for trading, give for sometimes for this. Don't be hurry. So now I will show my one of my student daily tracker. So in this batch there is only about two guys. So he started from 20th December. So here he used to update every trade which he takes, only profit and losses, because I can able to see only this one. So I can able to see how much percentage he done in per session. So here it will be like two sessions with 5 trades per session. So here we can see his trading accuracy also. So out of 10, his accuracy stands for about 80 to 85% after 10 days of teaching and live trades. So this is one guy and this one is second guy. So he started trading from 27. After teaching, he started trading from 27. So here we can see his profit ratio. His profit ratio also good, but except 29 December. In this situation, in on that day, it's a ranging market. So he one profit one, only two or profits except three losses. So again he tried within 30 minutes, because he has to update time also, because if he get frustrated, so if he again start within 1 hour, surely it will be lost only. You can see example here. Again he won only one trade and two trades. Again three trades are lost. So actually after 10 trades we should not take any one trade also. But here that guy took extra trade also. Again 5 trades for the around 6 trades he took. But I made updation only for 5 trades. Here also he made profit only one trade, not any. Again because of frustration, again he lose. This is the worst day for him, because he should not do when he lose 3 trades in a row or 3 trades in per session. So he should not take trades on that one. But later on I sit with him and I shown how to take trades, and in front of me he told like this trade we can consider this topic. But in that time I told there is only some topics need to be considered, and there need to be only some trades need to take, not in every candlestick. So in that time I teached him and it was 100%. And again after my live sessions, again he sit with again he sit and he done around 5 trades. Again he made profit of 4 trades out of 5. So like this it will be my teaching. And after that, in after his trades, he must update in this WordPad also with image why he took and what are the reason while taking his trade, because in that time it will be useful for others also. After a week when he sent for me, I will send this to another student. In that time it will be useful for him also, and I will make what he took trades. I will send him what another guy took trades. I will send these documents to him. So in this time this will be helpful for both. So my teaching will be like this. So if you are interested you can contact me for more details. My contact details it is in description. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel.